We have a sad news. One of our students, 8th class students' father passed away on Saturday.
Indrani,
Indrani.
student.
Indrani's father passed away on Saturday. So, as a sign of respect, we shall keep a few moments of silence. You shall close your eyes and just pray for the departed person and pray for the departed in silence. Close your eyes and